I'm going to tell you something I've kept to myself for years. None of you ever knew George Gipp. It was long before your time. But you all know what a tradition he is at Notre Dame. And the last thing he said to me, Rock, he said, sometime when the team is up against it and the breaks are beating the boys, tell them to go out there with all they got and win just one for the Gipper. I don't know where I'll be then, Rock, he said. But I'll know about it. And I'll be happy.
I want to tell you something I kept to myself through these years. I was in the war myself, medical corps. I was on late duty one night when they brought in a badly wounded pilot from one of the raids. Could barely talk. He looked up at me and Doc, he said, the odds were against us up there, but we went in anyway. I'm glad. Captain made the right decision. The pilot's name was George Zipp.
George Zipp said that?
The last thing he said to me, Doc, he said, sometime the crew is up against it. The breaks are beating the boys. Tell them to get out there and give it all they've got. And win just one for the Zipper. I don't know where I'll be then, Doc, he said. I won't smell too good, that's for sure.